Hi guys, let's make these soft, chewy and delicious chocolate chip cookies. In a mixing bowl, add half a cup of melted butter and 1 cup of light brown sugar. Whip that together for a few minutes and then add 1 large egg. Now keep whipping until the mixture is fluffy. Scrape the edges as you need so that everything can be mixed together wonderfully. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then whip for about 3 minutes until the mixture is fluffy enough. That's a perfect consistency. Now add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and fold it in. Make sure all the flour is folded into the butter mixture. Add half a cup of dark chocolate chips and fold them in. That's perfect. Cover the mixture and chill for about 2 hours. You can chill for between 30 minutes to 24 hours. It's just your option depending on how much time you have. Line the baking tray with baking paper. Scoop the cookie dough and roll them into balls. If you find it hard to work with the chilled dough, you can form the balls before chilling the dough. Top the balls with more chocolate chip. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Now look at those cookies. They are golden brown and very beautiful. Let them cool in the baking tray for about 10 minutes and then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. The cookies are now cold. Let's check them out. They are soft and chewy and very delicious. Look at them. They are golden brown on the bottom and very nice. You can have the cookies with a warm glass of milk as a snack or gift them to your family and friends. They serve as good gifts. Thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe and tell me how you like it. Bye.